C.F.
He
Horn.
did say he's single, right?
Yeah. C.F. Horn.
Hawthorne.
Hawthorne. Okay. Glasses are.
Mhm.
As an author of 10 gripping novels, she is a poetess of renown, having authored more than 100 lyrical gems. You're making me do words I'm not even used to.
Toastmasters, they taught me.
Public education. In addition to her writing acumen, she is a gifted speaker, qualified speaker, motivational speaker, entertaining speaker, inspirational speaker, and a vision board presenter. CF's a graduate of alumni of the Eleanor Jean Greer Leadership Academy, lifetime of NAACP, and she is 20 years to life in the state institution call. Okay. Oh, they call you.
State institution call.
Saturday mornings, Toastmasters
Mr. Joke.
797. Oh, it's all one. Okay. I'm saying that state institution talk. CF's quote, "It ain't easy being me, but somebody's got to do it. It ain't easy me, but somebody's got to do it." CF Hawthorne.
Oh. What he was supposed to say is that I'm a 20 years to life member in the state institution called Saturday Morning Toastmasters Club 797. I've already did 20 years, but I think I'm gonna go ahead on and do life. Raise your hands if you desire peace, love, and happiness in your life. Yeah. Now, why don't you clap those hands if you just happen to want like good health, prosperity, and happiness? Come on, let me hear you say that. Now, I need you to also say more money, more money, more money. If you want some money in your bank account, let me hear you say more money, more money. If you want some money in your bank account. That's what I'm saying. You know you want some money. I threw it all to you because I heard you and I felt you. She wants love. There is power in vision boards. They're really power. At first I was going to say there's magic, but when I went out to say there's magic in a vision board, a lot of people want abracadabra, and it's here. Now, when I say that there is power in a vision board, how do I know? Well, welcome to my vision. Toastmasters, fellow Toastmasters, most honored and welcome guests, and especially to the people in this room that wants it all. Welcome to my vision. See, like Martin Luther King, I too had a dream. I had a dream that one day I would be telling my truth in front of a crowd of listening ears. And then I would go on to a TED Talk. Oh, and then maybe host my very own talk show. C.F. Hawthorne, Talk a Lot Talk Show. That would be my talk show. Now, when I say that there is power in the vision boards, it's because I never was a believer in the power of a vision board. Matter of fact, I wasn't a believer in vision boards at all. I didn't believe them. They've been around for years and centuries. However, raise your hand if you heard of a man called Carl Benz. Carl Benz? No? Well, guess what? In the 1800s, Carl Benz had a vision board. Well, it was more like a blueprint. But right now, this afternoon, out in the parking lot, I counted 15 Mercedes-Benz. Carl Benz made a vision board. And there was power in it. Now, for me, myself, as I stated, I have 9 vision boards, and I really wasn't a believer until I made one. And after I made that one vision board, and it actually came to fruition, ladies and gentlemen, I was hooked. I had to step back and say, oh my gosh, this really works. For an example, as you can see over here, this picture here, I was almost 400 pounds getting ready to have that cut your stomach surgery. I made a vision board to lose weight. The vision board included this picture here, but also around the picture, it was everything that thinner people would do. They didn't have the arthritis. They could run up the stairs and not pass out. They could actually walk across the room and get water instead of, for me, it was 2 Cokes and a candy bar. That was dinner. But I made the vision board and I lost the weight. Now, after I lost the weight, I realized that, I look good. Yeah, I know I do. Thank you very much. But I wanted a better car. I had a mama wagon, a Ford Explorer. I wanted a convertible. So what did I do? I made me a vision board. I didn't bring it, but I made me a vision board of a convertible and I put it in the ceiling of my bedroom. So every day when I would wake up and every night when I would go to sleep, I would have that vision board. Well, y'all just call me Mustang Sally, baby. I own a red Mustang convertible. Miss Thanks saw me in. Was I not looking good? That's what I'm saying. That's it, with a vision board. Now, after I lost the weight, after I was riding in that Mustang convertible, guess what, guys? I no longer wanted to work. I didn't want to go to work. I live in California with a Mustang and a cool body. There's no need me to lock it up from 9 to 5. So I made me a vision board to retire early. I retired at 53. I've been retired for 7 years. I'll be 60 this year. I never look back. So when I'm saying that there is power, it's not magic, because what you have to do with this vision board, you must put it where you can see it at all times. Now, I hear someone, I think Miss Susan, you're asking, what is a vision board, right, baby? A vision board is a collage. It's a pictures of your hopes, your dreams, and your desires of what you want for your life. And once you put it in on a poster board, sort of as this, you put it on the wall, wherever it is that you see it every single day. Now, the vision board is also it serves as inspiration, aspiration, motivation. But guess what I call the vision board? Prayer in print. Prayer in print. Because raise your hands if you ever you did the New Year's resolution. Anybody? Okay, well, guess what? Keep your hands up because it's June. How many of y'all have fulfilled the New Year's resolution? Right? Because you had it focused. Now, for the rest of us that don't make the New Year's resolution, we're not failures or anything like that. Life happens. Life, love, divorce, death, birth, win some money, lose some money. Life happens. So it takes us off our focus of what we want for ourselves. You understand what I'm saying here is that this right here, put it where you can see it, where you want it. You want a new car? You want a new house? In 2008, the doctor said that I would never be able to walk. I did 3 bouts with being paralyzed until I was walking with a cane and a walker. That's why most of you hadn't seen me. They said, I'm sorry, Miss Hawthorne. Oh, baby, how you like me now? A vision board, thank you, of good health. I put it where I could see it. I didn't cry about this pain or no, good health. That's all I focused on was good health. My daughter, she came to me crying one day, Mom, I just can't do this. My car is too much, blah, 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 da, dee, dee. I said, well, you know, I can't help you personally, but put it in a vision board. I'm not sure where hers is, but anyway, with her vision board, she got a brand new car. Now, wait, this is the thing so I could tell you. She got into an accident, but it was very minor, but it was major enough to total the car. So they gave her a brand new car with a lower car note, and insurance gave her $10,000 that was on her vision board. So ask yourself, what would your vision board look like? How crazy and wild and off the chain would your vision board look like? And it's not difficult. It's not hard. Tonight, while we were here, I got 2 volunteers, and I'll show you quickly. They did a vision board in the back. Right here. They're going to take it home and put it on their wall, and someone is going to get $10,000 and a couple of $100 and go on vacation. Someone right here, this person want to eat healthy. Yay for her, but she's want to eat healthy and walk and make a little money. The thing is that they did it right here. It was no magic abracadabra. But what it is that you're going to take it home and place it on the wall where you can see it. And don't let anyone discourage you and tell you you can't have it. So let me hear you scream, peace, love, and happiness. Come on. Don't you want prosperity, success, and money?
Yes.
I don't think y'all do. Cause you got to get that money. You got to get that energy. You have to be positive. There you go. Take some of that and put it in your glove compartment. Put it in your wallet. Put it wherever you can see it. Put it on your wall and watch the money come to you. It has always come to me, so it will come to you. Toastmaster?
Thank you. Wow. Thank you. Thank you.